If you think women choose the nicest man, you're wrong. If you think they choose the strongest man, you're still wrong. Women choose the man who understands leverage, and Machiavelli knew exactly how to use it. Today, I'm going to show you the psychological hacks powerful men used for centuries to influence women, win their loyalty, and switch the power dynamic without manipulation, without games, without becoming toxic. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to make a woman respect you automatically, how to control emotional momentum, how to stay in power even when she pulls away, and how Machiavellian principles make you the rare man she fears losing. This is not about being abusive. This is about being psychologically strategic, the way kings, generals, CEOs, and high-value men have always been. Let's begin. Part 1. The law of unpredictability. Women hate predictable men. Machiavelli wrote, "A man who is predictable becomes powerless." Women don't get bored because you're a bad man. They get bored because they can predict you. Most men text back immediately, always available, always agreeable, always reacting emotionally. Nidui. Always doing what she expects. That kills attraction. Machiavellian psychology teaches the opposite. Be emotionally consistent, but behaviorally unpredictable. Examples. Don't text her straight away, reply in your own time. It's okay to cancel a plan once in a while because you're focused on your goals. Change the rhythm, not the personality. Provide validation occasionally, not constantly. This evokes intrigue, and intrigue leads to chase. A woman pursues a man she cannot fully read. Part 2. Control the frame, control the woman. Machiavelli said, "The one who sets the frame controls the outcome." Women don't fall for the emotional man. They fall for the man whose frame is stronger than hers. Your frame is your values, your expectations, your emotional stability, what you tolerate, what you disown, how you react under pressure. When your frame is weak, a woman will test you. When your frame is strong, she will trust you. A Machiavellian man doesn't force control. He doesn't demand respect. He doesn't argue. He leads with calm authority. Examples of strong frame. She pulls away, you stay calm. She tests you, you smile and hold your ground. She gets emotional, you stay logical. She challenges you, you stand tall, unfazed. Women follow the man who doesn't lose himself. Part 3. The power of less. Say less, mean more. One of Machiavelli's rules. Silence is a weapon. The more you speak, the more you expose. Most men talk themselves out of attraction. They overshare, oversimulate, over-explain, and become predictable. A powerful man speaks little but with weight. Examples. But when she argues, lower your voice instead of raising it. When she insults, stay calm instead of reacting. When she tests, I hear you, I'm not moved. When she pushes, you pull back slightly. When she demands certainty, you give clarity, not desperation. Women respect the man who controls his words, because that man controls his world. Part 4. Use distance as a strategy, not a reaction. Machiavelli said, "Power is maintained through selective presence." This is one of the most misunderstood psychological principles. Weak men distance themselves because they're hurt. Strong men keep their distance. Why? Because distance builds respect, curiosity, fear of loss, emotional investment. Every high-value man knows. Presence creates comfort. Absence is the mother of desire. Examples. When she takes you for granted, increase distance. When she pulls away, you pull further. When she wants space, you give even more. When she gets too comfortable, add mystery. Women bond with men who give them emotional room to feel. Part 5. Control emotional momentum. This is the master rule. Machiavelli believed that power comes from momentum, and who controls momentum controls the dynamic. Here's how momentum works in dating. If she is doing all the emotional work, she invests, she pursues, she chooses you. If you are doing all the emotional work, you be after, you overgive, you lose leverage. To control emotional momentum, let her initiate some conversations. Let her ask questions. Let her sometimes plan dates. Let her show interest first. Reward her effort with calm confidence. Women value what they work for, not what is handed to them freely. A Machiavellian man doesn't do everything. He makes her invest emotionally. Part 6. Become the man she can't replace. To control a woman is not to overpower her. It is to become the one man she fears losing. Here's what makes a man irreplaceable. Emotional discipline, high standards, personal purpose, masculine calmness, energy that's unpredictable, strong boundaries, independence, leadership frame. Women are not impressed with a man who orders them around. They fall for the man who controls himself. You control the dynamic by controlling your identity. Become a man of the depth, feel, mystery, city, strength, hokipishi, focus, calmness, and she will follow your lead naturally. Part 7. The Stoic conclusion. You don't have to manipulate women. You don't have to pursue after them. You don't have to plead for assurance. Just understand the psychology behind it. Hold a powerful frame and maintain emotional control, and she'll be always drawn back to you. Machiavelli said, "Power belongs to the one who needs nothing." Be that man. The man who's hard to read, hard to shake, impossible to replace. This is Stoic Algo, where men evolve. Final call to action. If you learned something today, drop a in the comments. And if you want more videos on Machiavellian psychology x Stoic masculinity attraction to females, high value mindsets, hit subscribe because this channel is built for men who rise above the average.